वजीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी के तारक रामाराव ने शहर हैदराबाद में अमेजॉन एयर का आगाज किया। राजीव गांधी बैनुल अक़वामी हवाई अड्डे पर अमेजॉन को बाज़ाब्ता तौर पर शुरू करने के बाद बीआरएस कारगुजार सदर ने कहा है कि इससे अमेजॉन के डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क को तक़वियत मिलेगी और सारिफिन को अशिया डिलीवर तेजी से की जा सकेंगी। उन्होंने रियासती हुकूमत की जानिब से अमेजॉन को हर तरह के ताउन का यकीन दिलाया और अमेजॉन एयर के आगाज को हिंदुस्तानी ई कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री में बेहतरीन लम्हा करार दिया। वजीर ने उम्मीद जताई है कि अमेजॉन अपनी फहरिस्त में मजीद कारीगरों, फनकारों और दस्तकारों को शामिल करता रहेगा। आपको बता दें कि अमेजॉन तेलंगाना के दस्तकारी शोबे के साथ मिलकर 56 देहातों में 4500 से ज्यादा बुनकरों की मदद के लिए काम कर रहा है।
Of course, he was based in Bangalore then. So I invited him over. I said, why don't you come with your entire team to Hyderabad? We can bring our tax guys, we can bring our finance department, we can bring our technology guys. All of us together, sitting across the table, can understand how we can help you. So he did come the next week, the following week, and we had a fantastic meeting. And since then, I would say the love story of Amazon with Hyderabad actually went from strength to strength. Today, I'm standing here very proud. And I can tell you right in front of all of you friends from the media that Hyderabad is home to Amazon's world's largest campus. In fact, I keep saying this everywhere I go, that Amazon's world's largest campus is not in Seattle, but it is in Hyderabad, which is a matter of great pride for us. Not only that, Amazon Web Services, one of the largest investments in the world, a $4.4 billion investment, is also in Hyderabad, and in fact it's growing almost 36,300 crores of rupees in the cloud business of Amazon, which of course is one of the most important business verticals for Amazon, is also in Hyderabad. I cross-checked, I fact-checked with Abhinav and Akhil as well, that Amazon's largest fulfillment footprint in Asia is also in Hyderabad. And today, with the launch of Amazon Air, and the first time Amazon Air is being launched outside of North America and outside of Europe. I'm delighted that India and particularly Hyderabad gets to host it. So I think this love story is just growing from strength to strength, and I do hope and believe that this is just the beginning and there's much more to follow. Of course, it would be my fiduciary responsibility to also ensure that I tell you a bit more about my state and my city, Hyderabad. Telangana is the youngest and fastest growing state in India. The state has registered USD of $145 billion in financial year 2021-22. The state has doubled its per capita income since 2014, from 1,24,000 Indian rupees to 2,78,000 rupees. Hyderabad continues to top several global and national rankings in the past few years. Some among them, Telangana has been ranked among the top 3 states in the ease of doing business among all Indian states by World Bank and Government of India, a joint ranking given by both of them. Hyderabad has been ranked as the world's most dynamic city by JLL. Hyderabad also has been ranked the most livable city among all Indian cities by Mercer, and 5 times in a row from 2015 until 2020. Hyderabad also has bagged the world's Green City Award by AIPH in 2022, which is a matter of great pride for all of us.